Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to legally activate Windows 11 using official Microsoft methods. You've got two legit choices: buy a digital license or product key from Microsoft, or use a generic key for a trial. Let's dive in. First, here are your activation options. Digital license: if you upgraded from a genuine Windows 10, bought Windows 11 from the store, or signed in with a Microsoft account. You likely already have one. Product key: a 25-character code you purchase from Microsoft or an authorized retailer and enter manually. Generic testing key lets you test Windows, but won't unlock personalization or get updates. Let me walk you through the process. Click Start, give Settings gear icon. In Settings, go to System gives Activation, under Activation. Click Change Product Key. Paste your 25-character key then. Click Next gives Activate Windows. Will connect online and activate if the key is valid. You'll get a message like Windows is activated with either with a digital license or with a product key. Once activated, you'll get full personalization, updates, and peace of mind. If activation fails, make sure your edition matches, for example, Home versus Pro, and you're signed into the same Microsoft account linked to your license. Don't use pirated or unofficial keys. They're illegal, risky, and won't receive updates or security patches. And that's it: fast, simple, and 100% legal. If you found this helpful, hit like, ring the bell. Let me know in the comments which key you're using or if you ran into any issues. See you next time.